guys, so I hope you're well and having the most incredible day. As always, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we're going to be doing my Mother's Day haul for 2023. I can't quite believe it either. I feel like Valentine's Day was literally a few days ago and we're already doing our Mother's Day haul. However, I'm very excited. I actually went to the store this time, so I have it in a bag, not a box, and I picked up I think 5 things. My total was about £26 and I'm just really excited to share it with you. So without further ado, we are going to dive right in. I hope you guys enjoy and carry on watching. So the first item I picked up was this one. This is the Avo Cuddle Bubble Bar, and price wise this is £6, so I think that is quite a reasonable price. I would say you could probably get maybe 3 really good baths out of this. It's a bubble bar, so you crumble it under the tap, you get loads of bubbles with it, and price wise I said that already, at £6. I'm losing my train of thought. I am just getting over a head cold, which I feel like I can't breathe at the moment, so my head is all over the place. But yes, this was £6 and it is described as a zesty hug in a tub, and ingredients wise we have got lemongrass, bergamot, cornstarch, I think that's mainly it really. It smells like Avo bath, so it's a very lemongrassy smell, hence the lemongrass in it. But the best way to describe it is it kind of just smells like a lemon sherbet, but a little bit more earthy than like a fresh lemon. It is really good though. If you like Avo bath and that kind of zesty lemony smell, you will really love this one, and this paired with Avo bath would make such a nice bath. So yeah, absolutely love that. The smell of it is amazing, and it is absolutely adorable because it's got a really cute little heart in the tummy of the avocado. I guess that's the seed. Is it a seed? Yeah, it's a seed, isn't it? I'm losing the plot, honestly, but yes, it has a little heart-shaped seed and it is really cute. We did have an avocado soap one year, which I didn't really enjoy very much because you got both halves and it was just a lot of soap, but this is really cute and I love the design. So yeah, that is the first item I bought. Absolutely love it, and it smells delicious, so we love that. Next up we have a bath bomb. I saw this. Oh no, it's broken. I'm a little bit upset. Anyway, we're just gonna have to hold it together. I feel like it's literally just broken as well because it's kind of still in its position. So I'm just gonna be really careful and sort of hold it together so you guys can see. But this is the Tea Party Bath Bomb. My little spout has kind of come off, but this one scent wise smells really good. It's got a very, I don't want to say sweet smell to it. It's not like bubblegum sweet. It's very lovely. Price wise this one is £4.50, and I do want to say that I think it is quite a small bath bomb for that price, because back in the day this would have been like £3. I say that all the time, but it definitely would have been. And ingredients wise in this one we have got popping candy, sweet wild orange oil, lime oil, cream of tartar, and then loads of colours and things like that. But it doesn't necessarily smell like orange, but it kind of does. Wait, it's Golden Wonder scented, isn't it? Hang on. Yeah, this is Golden Wonder scented. That's why it's so familiar. It's very good. It's Celebrate scented Golden Wonder. It's orangey. There's me saying it doesn't smell like orange. It does now. It smells like a fizzy orange, like... Oh, it's so good. I'm salivating at the smell. And again, price wise that's £4.50, but I do like the colour of it. It's pink, it's got some really cute blue sort of speckles throughout and a heart on the front. It is really cute looking, but sadly mine is broken, so fuming. Anyway, let's move on. The next item I picked up was the Jasmine Bath Bomb. This one was also £4.50, which is why I think that the other one seems quite expensive, because this one is really thick, so I don't really understand the pricing. This one weighs probably twice as much, but this is a really beautiful white bath bomb. Very simple, very light. Scent wise, this one has a very light and subtle fragrance, so if you're not somebody that wants something really invasive and overpowering in the bathroom, this one would be really good. Price wise again it's £4.50 as I said, and ingredients, it has jasmine and ylang ylang in it, so it is a really like almost dusty kind of smell. Does that make sense? Like not like actual dust, but it's like a dusty like jasmine smell, like a really light creamy jasmine smell. It's really beautiful. Again, really thick, so I'm excited to use it, and it does smell really good. It just smells like a smell that everybody would enjoy, like a fresh kind of classic bath bomb smell. It does smell good. But yeah, that is the Jasmine Bath Bomb. I'm really excited to use that, and I just love it. And that one isn't broken, so yay. The next item, I wasn't originally going to pick one up because I have had it before. However, when I was smelling them in the store, I smelt this one and I was just obsessed with it. And I couldn't not get one, so I had to pick one up. And that is the Atom Heart Mother Bath Bomb. This one retails for £5, so it is a very kind of similar price to the teapot one, and I feel like this is absolutely ginormous compared to that, so I think that's why in my head I think the teapot one is quite expensive. However, this one is £5. It's so beautiful. It's a light blue colour with some really lovely white clouds on it, and ingredients wise it has bergamot, rose, neroli and orange, but it smells like So White. And I absolutely love the smell of So White because it just reminds me of working in Lush at Christmas time. And it basically smells like crisp apples. Now I don't know how bergamot, rose, neroli and orange make it smell like apples, but it does. It smells like a crisp pink lady apple. It's so good. I absolutely love it. And inside this one I think it's purple, which is really exciting. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to using this one, and I just absolutely love the smell. It is so good, and I would really enjoy like a So White candle or something because it would be like the most perfect bathroom fragrance. It's so good, and for £5 I think that's really reasonable. So yeah, that is the next item I bought, and I'm really excited to use that one. And last but definitely not least, I thought I would pick up a soap, and there were two soap options for the Mother's Day range, but Ryan preferred this one, and I think I do too, to be honest, because the other one was really strong in like lavender and chamomile, but this one was a little bit different. So I have a piece of the proper soap, which is £6 for 100 grams, which I think, I don't have a receipt, no, but I think this was roughly about 100 grams. I will open it and show you guys what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. It's a very creamy moisturizing soap. Like you can feel it while you're touching it, that your sort of fingers are sliding through. And it just smells really creamy and clean. I can't really describe it any other way. Like it's very moisturizing, very rich. I will just look at the ingredients as well. So in this one, it does smell really good. This one has rose, jasmine, lavender and neroli. It is very kind of on that floral spectrum, but it's not overpowering floral. It's definitely more of a creamy scent with a bit of a floral like sprinkled in, do you know what I mean? But this one does smell really good, very subtle, very gentle. If you want to get a gift for somebody, or even for Mother's Day or anything like that, and you want something that's going to be quite a neutral fragrance, this is really nice. And it just smells, yeah, really subtle but really nice at the same time, and it is very creamy. Like my fingers are, I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see that on camera or not, but it is so moisturising, it's insane. So I'm really looking forward to trying that. I feel like I've said really about 18 times in this video. Originally I actually wasn't going to pick up any soap, to be honest. I'm not a soap kind of gal, like a solid soap kind of person. However, I had those 4 things in my basket, and I was kind of like talking to Ryan as we were sort of walking around, and I was like, it's just not enough for a haul. Like I don't, like 4 things I cannot talk about for a long enough time, so I thought I'd pick up something else, and a piece of soap seemed really nice because we can just use it in the flat, and I'm just really looking forward to it, so I picked that up as well. That one again was £6, and I'm just really impressed with the range. I feel like there could have been a few more things. Like I would have really loved to have seen like Yummy Mummy shower gel, not the spheres, maybe a face mask, maybe like a foot mask, I don't know. Anyway, before I ramble on for too much longer, thank you so much for watching. That is everything for today's video. I really hope you guys did enjoy. Let me know down below what you bought from the range, if you bought anything or if you're planning on buying anything. I would love to know down below, and your thoughts and opinions on what I bought. Again, I would love to know as always. If you haven't subscribed, please make sure you do. As I would love to hit 11,000 subscribers this year. I cannot get my words out. Honestly, I am so bunged up. I can't really breathe. So I'm gonna go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys as always, and I'll see you in my next one. I just spoke 100 words a minute. Anyway, goodbye. I love you. Goodbye.